टेक आउट योर EVS बुक्स। 7 चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे हम। व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय फूड चेन? गिव एन एग्जाम्पल। द रिलेशन ऑन द बेसिस of the diet of tree, plant and living organisms is called food chain. For example, grasshopper eats grass, frog eats grasshopper, a snake eats frog, and in the end an eagle eats the snake. An eagle eats the snake. What do you understand by a sanctuary and a park? A reserved area where several animals and plants stay together is called a sanctuary and park. Write down about Chipko Andolan. Write down about Chipko Andolan. In the Garhwal area of Uttarakhand, constructors started cutting trees for their business, so the people of the region protested it. They struck themselves with trees to save them. They struck themselves with trees to save them. This is called the Chipko Andolan. Make a list of advantages of trees. फर्स्ट पॉइंट है इसका, trees and plants give us fruits, flowers, cereals, vegetables, wood, medicines and oxygen. Second point, trees and plants bring rainfall. Third point, it supplies food and fodder for animals. Fourth point, it keeps the balance of environment as well as nature. Look at the picture below and identify which food does it eat. तो रैबिट बना हुआ है, तो ये क्या खाता है? कैरेट बनी हुई है ना बेटा, तो ये फर्स्ट वाला ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. हाउ डिड द बिश्नोई कम्युनिटी प्रोटेस्ट ट्रीज? डिस्क्राइब. द किंग्स सोल्जर्स कट द खेजरीली trees along with their villagers. Total 363 people including Amrita Devi Bishnoi sacrificed their lives to save the khezri trees. They sacrificed because trees and plants give us fruits, flowers, cereals, vegetables, wood, medicines and oxygen. People took an inspiration from a incident and started the Chipko Andolan. Desert National Park is situated in Jaisalmer. Make a list of any 3 bird sanctuaries situated in Rajasthan. तो बेटा आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं, और आप ये आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ है, आप इनमें से भी लिख सकते हैं 3. ओके. नेशनल पार्क भरतपुर, दरा सेंचुरी कोटा, सीता माता सेंचुरी प्रतापगढ़. ड्रॉ ए डायग्राम टू शो द फूड चेन. तो फूड चेन आपको ये दी हुई है, आप इस पे ड्रॉ करेंगे. ये इसका आंसर होगा. तो हमने बेटा 7 चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया है. आप इसको नोटबुक में लिखेंगे, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को, और लर्न करेंगे. ओके.